mo. Oh. Ikaw naman. Oh. Pakita mo sa mga kalaro mo. Pag ganito ang hawak, mas magaling ka pa magbukas kay Belix eh.
Johan, anong ginagawa mo? Johan, anong ginagawa mo?
Ano ginagawa mo? Bubukas ka ng alak. Pag 18 ka na, pwede na.
Yan o, kitang-kita. Red horse.
Pakita mo sa mga nanay.
Upload ko yan sa Facebook.
Si Johan nagpa-practice magbukas ng Red Horse.
At the age of 2.
Practice ka muna ha.
Oo, ikaw. Sige, ikaw lang.
Ako naman, ganito nga, tuturo ko sa iyo yung handling. Kasi walang laman, kaya hindi naputok. Ayan. Ikaw.
Huwag mo masyado kasing diinan para mabuksan niya. Napabisit siya eh.
Hitler has secured his southern flank for the invasion of Russia.
Oh, ikaw na, Jajay.
Oh!
Wow!
1-0.
Clap your hands! Oh.
Teka lang.
Military parade is traditionally held in Moscow's Red Square to celebrate International Workers' Day. Special preparations have gone into this one, however. Stalin wants to make a big impression on the Germans. He's been receiving information from his spies.
Tigas, no?
Of the imminent attack.
Tigas.
But he finds it hard to believe that Hitler would dare to break the German-Soviet non-aggression.
Oh, last na yan, ha?
The Germans
Hindi mo naman mabubuksan yan. Diniinan ni Daddy.
Marshal Timoshenko, the People's Commissar and Stalin's defense minister, seems to salute them
Mama na.
with respect.
Daddy, ngiti ka muna kay Mami. Ngiti.
Pakita mo pa paano pag inom ng Red Horse.
Mo muna mo. Sayo muna. Love you, Mami. Pikit muna, pikit.